how many hands does it take to climb the coconut tree to get to the coconut? Using dimensional analysis.
The height of the palm tree is 7.4 meters. Those are the coconuts. So over here we have our setup equation. 7.4 meters equals how many hands? So the conversion factors that we are using to get to this are hands to here, let's start with the first one. So centimeters in meters, or meters to centimeters, and then centimeters to inches, and then using the inches to get to hands. And so now we go to the next step.
And you want to have your units on across from each other, so then they cross out.
Because you cross multiply them, so the meters on the top left and the meters on the bottom right will cancel each other out, leaving you with just centimeters. So you put your given information on the top left corner, and then you just put a 1 over it, because anything is anything over itself. So now we have the multiple step equation, which is the same methods as this equation, but you just have them all in all the conversion factors into one equation. So see, we have your 7.4 meters over 1 meters here, and you want to bring it to centimeters, so you have your centimeters up here on the top, and so you have your 7.4 meters and your 1 meters. Those meters cross each other out, and then you go over to the next step, and see, you have now on the top left and the bottom right, you have your centimeters that cross each other out. And then for the next one, you have your inches on top and your inches on the bottom, and those also cross each other out. So now we have this big equation, and the only units that are left are hands. So we go across the top and we times each of them. So you have 7.4 times 10 times 1 and
this is where you use your calculator, obviously. Okay, and then you do 1 times 2.54 times 4, and then that is equal to 10.60 under 740 hands.
So this equation, you times it across, and you get to this, and then you get to that. And you want to make sure you keep the units hands, because this is what you've been solving for. So now, over here,
you need 72.83 hands, but normally you don't have 8.83 hands, and so you would probably round that up to 73.
Yep. And that's how you do dimensional analysis.
Yay.